Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you unlock and unfreeze Cash App card. If your Cash App card is locked or frozen, it could be due to security measures, usually activity or technical issues as well. Now here's what you could actually do in order to fix. First of all, you could try opening Cash App and tap the card tab. And next you want to select the locked card, then toggle the lock off and enter your cash pin to confirm. If this does not work, you could also try updating the app. Ensure that you're using the latest version. Likewise, you could also try clearing your cache. If you're using an Android, you have to go to settings, or you can just long press the application, go to the I button, and then you could go and clear the cache as well. If the issue still persists on, then you will also try uninstalling and reinstalling it once again, and at the same time restarting your device. That should be able to fix the issue. Now, despite all this procedure, if nothing works out, then the last alternative is to contact support. In order to contact support, click the profile initials from the top right hand side corner. After which, you simply want to scroll down and click on security and privacy or help. When you go to the support section from the bottom of the screen, click that out, and then you want to state about the issue. They will be able to look into your matter. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.